If you don't like and subscribe, your parents will be gone. This is gonna blow your mind. If your city looks like a swimming pool after a hurricane, you know it's bad. These monsters of nature left devastation in their wake. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 struck New Orleans like a freight train, causing over 1,800 deaths and $125 billion in damage. Hurricane Harvey, 2017 unleashed historic rainfall in Texas, displacing over 30,000 people. Hurricane Maria, 2017 devastated Puerto Rico, with over 3,000 deaths. Hurricane Mitch, 1998 claimed over 11,000 lives in Central America. And the Great Galveston Hurricane of 1900 remains the deadliest U.S. disaster with up to 12,000 deaths. Be prepared and stay safe.